President Emerson Mnangagwa's government has upped its crackdown against decent amid fears of anti-government protests to coincide the SADC Summit to be held in Harare next month. Achiperimusha mure Zimbabwe nauye SADC Summit protest iyi yatonetsa noti ine ropa mukati. Neya iyi taona kuti vanhu vakawanda vari include muna iyi kubva kuarmy, mapurisa, government. Muri Zimbabwe pakashata sana bina mashuka budanyu kwa mzara nasi kuti bo subscribe like or turn on the bell icon kwa mchinzi. On July 3, police in Gokwe arrested 6 people affiliated to Community Voices Zimbabwe, who included a councillor for holding a meeting at a lodge. The 6 were later released without any charges being laid against them. Several people have also been arrested in Harare for allegedly holding unsanctioned meetings. Citizen Coalition for Change, CCC Interim Administrator Jameson Timber, and 77 other party members are battling to get their freedom after they were arrested on June 16 for gathering to celebrate the Day of the African Child at a private residence. On Friday, opposition leaders Jacob Ngarivume and Job Scala warned that protests were inevitable due to Zimbabwe's deteriorating human rights situation and economic problems. Doma shuka turikuona kuti aiwa nhau dzema protest idzi aiwa turikuona kuti vanhu vari interested mukuprotesta, but at the same time vanhu vari kutyira upenyu hwavo. Amene kuti zvinoitika kuKenya kana zviitika kuKenya vanhu muZimbabwe vanozvikwanisa here. Aiwa muri Zimbabwe chibutudze mafukiro enyu pinai comment section medu, musano subscribe, kulike, turn on the bell.